Hey folks, this is question 3. So first part, you have 3 outside the brackets there, so you multiply it in, so you get 6x plus 12, 3 times 4 is 12, the minus 5 is just there, so you leave it there, equals 3, so you get 6x plus 7 is equal to 3, so we get 6x is equal to, bring the 7 across and subtract it, you get minus 4. And then bring the 6 across and divided, so you get x equals minus 4 over 6, which is equal to minus 3 over, minus 2 over 3. And that's all you can do for that part. Right, so graph the following inequalities on the given number line. So x is less than or equal to 2.8. So 2.8 is in, because it's part of the real numbers, it means it could be any number. It could be any number in between the points. So I think the best thing to do here is put in 2.8 on the number line. Then you can apply the rules of inequalities. So you put a circle around it and shade it in, because it can be equal to it as well. And then you have to shade in the full line here. So with the real numbers, you have to shade in the line. Next one, x is less than or equal to 2.8, but it's an integer because of z. Z means integers. So it can be plus or minus positive numbers. So less than 2.8 means it could be 2, could be 1 as well, it could be 0, it could be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It can't be anything in between those, any fractions or decimals or anything, because it's an integer. It has to be a whole number. So all them point dots should be shaded in. X is less than or equal to 2.8 then, but x is a natural number. So natural numbers start at 1, doesn't include 0, and just goes up 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't include any negative number, so we shouldn't be shading in anything on the negative side of the number line here. It's less than or equal to 2.8. That means it can't be 2, because it's less. No, sorry, it could be. Oh yeah, it could be 2. Sorry. So it could be 2 or it could be 1. So less than or equal to 2.8. It can't be 3. It has to either be 2 or 1, and it can't be 0 because it's not a natural number or any of the negative numbers. Part C here is simultaneous equations. So we have x minus y, and then you should know that you bring across that plus 1 to the other side, so equals minus 1. So you have to do that really. Plus 4y is equal to 19. Then you have an option. You could make the x is the same or the y is the same. I'll make the y is the same here, because I have a minus in front of my y already. So I'm going to multiply all of the top line by 4. So everything on the top line gets multiplied by 4. So 4x minus 4y is equal to minus 4. Then I get, should have put a line there. Bottom line doesn't change at all, so 2x plus 4y is equal to 19. The y's will cancel out then, so I get 6x is equal to 19 minus 4 is 15. So x is equal to 15 over 6, and that's the same thing as 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 is my x. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it back in instead of the x in either of the equations, and I'm just going to pick the top equation. So x minus y is equal to minus 1. So 5 over 2 minus y is equal to minus 1. So bring the minus y across to the right hand side, it's easier. So we get y is equal to, and then add on 1, you're just going to get 7 over 2. So x is 5 over 2, y is 7 over 2 here. So that's it, that's all for question 2.